If you want to build your career in the event industry, then please watch the video until the end. PR and event industry is an ever-growing industry today, and it has millions of job opportunities. It is said that everything you do or say is public relations, as it is an industry that builds your unique personality, identity, creativity, and experiences. And so students who study PR and events are likely to accomplish affluent careers and lifestyle, besides having exemplary networking, business, and entrepreneurship skills. It is also said that your network is your net worth. And with this education, you are sure to become the talk of the town. In today's times, there is a lot of unemployment in India. People are struggling for jobs or to get good money or to even start their own businesses. And the main reason for that is that these people have studied traditional courses like BA, BCom, BSc, etc. and their skill sets are not developed enough to work in professional fields. Traditional courses stress more on theoretical knowledge than on practical skills of the students. The PR and event course is a new course. It is professional and industry-oriented and has many career opportunities. The event industry has a huge scope today with innumerable types of events that happen around us. There are almost 150 types of events. There are sporting events like the IPL, cricket matches, football matches. Then there are the fashion shows, music and art festivals, conferences, weddings, parties, performances, meetings, product launches, award functions like the IFA Awards, incentive programs, community and civic events, media events, promotional events, fun events, dance events, and so on. The point is, there are so many kinds of events that happen, and every event demands a team of professionals behind its inception, production, and execution. At AAFT University, there are many courses offered in the field of PR and events. There is a one-year program, a UG or PG degree program, and after doing these programs, several career opportunities open up. The student has the potential to become an event producer, event manager, celebrity manager, wedding planner, campaign manager, organizer, venue manager, production manager, event designer, fashion or event coordinator, stage manager, and so on. The list is endless, and so are the job opportunities. AAFT University also has its own PR and event agency, which has already produced over 2,000 events till date. Events like film festivals, fashion shows, movie promotions, award functions, all these events give the opportunity to the students to participate in them to gain experience firsthand, which is like having an internship to develop one's skills on the job. AAFT University has an in-house film studio called Marva Studios, where students get the chance to participate in the promotional events of the films or TV shows. AAFT University also has its own radio station by the name of Radio Noida, where students can again get the opportunity to work in promotional shows broadcasted on FM. AAFT University has a tie-up with ICMEI, which holds innumerable events through the year, and students get the opportunity to participate and work in these functions as well. AAFT University also gets several celebrity visits, from Salman Khan to Tiger Shroff to Nawazuddin Siddiqui, and many other working industry professionals like directors, actors, film producers, and these visits and events are managed by the students of the university. AAFT University conducts many fashion shows and festivals, which again give the opportunity to the students to participate in such events. Mr. Sandeep Marva, the director of AAFT, is also the founder of Film City, and so several press releases happen from the AAFT campus, and students thus get the opportunity to work in these events as well. AAFT also has its own placement cell, which has a tie-up with some of the top event and PR agencies in the country, like Wizcraft, that organizes IFA Awards, Percept, that organizes the famous Sunburn Music Festival. Then there is Text 100, ZTV, NDTV, Aaj and many more companies that AAFT is connected to, which helps the students to get placed in good jobs in the future. There are several more benefits of doing the course of PR and events from AAFT University. And if you have any further doubts or concerns, then please don't hesitate to contact our student career counselors who can help and guide you to choose the right courses. And you should definitely give the entrance exam, because once you pass, let me assure you that it means you have already taken the first step towards building a successful career in the event industry.